My family is the most important thing to me. When I'm up against a wall and I'm facing a difficult situation, my family brings me strength. I understand the financial hardships that being involved in a traumatic accident can cause. And if I found myself in a similar position, I would want representation from someone who understood what I was going through. In the end, that's what it's all about. We're working for families, either at home or here helping families get back on their feet.
I sought out Bryan Musgrave due to the fact that I was unfortunately in a motor vehicle accident. I was on my way to work and someone had rear-ended me. Unfortunately, I did suffer a concussion along with some other injuries to my neck and my back. I knew I was going to be off work for quite a bit of time based off of what they had told me at the hospital. I tried to get through it just dealing with the insurance company, but unfortunately they weren't very nice. So after dealing with them for a couple months, I decided to go ahead and contact Bryan. I was stressed about bills, being able to keep up with my mortgage. When I spoke with him about all of that, he was very adamant that everything would be handled. He made it very easy for me to receive the medical care that I needed. Everything was stress-free, and you could tell that he was out to provide me the best service he possibly could. I would most definitely recommend him to anyone that is needing a lawyer.
Most of the clients I represent, they're going up against some of the most well-funded, well-armed adversaries out there who have a team of lawyers on their side and an infinite number of roadblocks to throw up in their case. What they need is someone who can tear down those roadblocks. This is what we do for a living.
A few years ago, I was coming home from work. I collided with a semi-truck and it tore my hand off. The first thing that went through my mind is, how am I going to provide for my family? I work with my hands for a living.
I was told I needed a lawyer, and when I called Bryan Musgrave, I actually got him on the phone. Anytime there was an issue, I would just call and it would get worked out very quickly, and that relieved a lot of stress off our shoulders.
I highly recommend Bryan Musgrave, mainly because of his personalized service. The way he was able to empathize with us, he did everything we expected him to do and then some.
I've always been drawn to the idea that the law is the great equalizer. In this country, we all have to sit on the witness stand and tell the truth. The court system can be what equalizes the playing field for all individuals. The law offices of Bryan Musgrave and the staff that work for me focus on client customer service because we feel that everyone deserves dignity and respect.